Hey guys, welcome to our fall kitchen tour and a little bit of a sneak peek of our brand new kitchen. My name's Lacey, and if you're new around here, my husband and Jason and I have been renovating a fixer-upper into our dream house. And we aren't quite finished with everything yet, but today I wanted to share just a little sneak peek inside our kitchen where it's at right now. And later in the video, I'm going to share 3 really affordable ways that you can update your kitchen in one day. I know not everybody can take on a massive renovation or remodel the way we have, but there are little things you can do that are very affordable and very quick that can update your space as well. So if you're ready, let's jump in. Come on in. Okay, so welcome to our brand new kitchen. It is a complete transformation from what this kitchen looked like before. We completely started over, and we actually enclosed the existing kitchen and made that into a butler's pantry, and now we have an entirely new kitchen. So we got all brand new cabinets, all new countertops. Everything you see is brand spanking new, and it has been such a dream come true to get to design this kitchen and to now live in it. It functions so well, and I would love to share more about that another time because there are some really strategic things that I try to think through and research and talk to people and ask other questions for people who have done home renovations that really make this kitchen function well. But overall, it's just absolutely beautiful, and for me, it's just been a dream come true. I love our beautiful white quartz countertops, and I love the raw wood island. I was really going for an island that didn't look like it was stained, but you couldn't quite tell what it was, and I think we really achieved that with what we did, and I love the way it turned out. I also love the shelving detail that was added to the end of the island. This allows me to have a little bit of space if I want to decorate, or even just to display like cookbooks or seasonal decor like I have it right now. I honestly could just keep it empty too, and I probably will sometimes because Hallie's kind of in that stage where she's wanting to take everything off the shelves. But I love that it allows me to add a little personality if I want, and if not, it's just a really beautiful detail to the cap of our island. We aren't totally finished with this space, so we don't have backsplash, we don't have our trim yet, we don't have our pot filler, and we're actually still missing the doors that will go into our pantry. So we still have plenty to do around here. Even decorating wise, I would love to hang curtains in the dining room and add some more accents to really warm this place up and just make it even cozier. But that will all come in time. That's one thing I've learned about renovating. It's that it just has to be done in stages. And so one thing I want to share with you today is just a few tips on ways that you could update your space, even if you can't take on a full-scale remodel or renovation like what we've been doing, but you still want to update your space, make it feel a little bit newer or just a little bit more personal and custom. So I have some great tips for you. These are super, super affordable, and you can literally have these done in one day. Like over the weekend, transform your space. It's awesome. My first tip would be change out your kitchen faucet. I don't think a lot of people think about this when it comes to updating their home, but a kitchen faucet can really either date your home as like an older spec home, builder grade, or it can look really custom and it can look really designer. I love the gold faucet that I was able to find for our kitchen. The cool thing is that this is actually a really affordable kitchen faucet. When I was renovating our previous kitchen, gold and brass were just starting to come back, and they were so expensive to find a gold faucet. So I opted out of it. I didn't do it in our last kitchen, but now they're a little bit more common. You can find them a little bit more readily available, and this one is a fantastic price point. I will try to link it probably over on my blog, and you can check it out there. But seriously, this is a one-day change. You could either hire a plumber or beg your husband to watch some YouTube videos, and changing a kitchen faucet is a one-day thing that would absolutely change the way your kitchen looks. And it's something that really catches people's eye when they first walk into a kitchen that says, oh, this has been updated, this has been changed, and it can kind of reflect your personality. You don't have to have like a modern gold faucet the way I do. You could have a more classic style. I know that unlacquered brass is really trendy right now, so Whatever you decide can really make a big difference. You could even do black. Black is super cool right now, and that would make such a bold statement in your kitchen and really make it look new. My second tip would be to update your lighting. So a lot of people will switch out a light fixture when they first move in, but once you've been in a space for a while, you just kind of get used to what you have. And light fixtures are such a big impact item because they really set the tone of the room. Lighting is such an essential part of design, and I would say lighting was definitely more of a splurge item for me in our renovation. But if that's all you're changing and you want to just update one simple thing, you can find some really affordable light fixtures, and they are a one-day thing as well. You can hire an electrician. It would probably take them less than an hour to come change out your light fixture, or if you have your family or friend that might be handy and knows how to do electrical work, it's such a quick fix. And I wish I had changed out lights in some of our previous homes because looking back, it was like such a small thing. And my last tip for you, as far as something that you can update that's really simple but will give you a lot of impact, and that is update your kitchen hardware. Maybe you have pools that were there when you bought the home, or maybe you have pools that you picked out but it's been years ago since you maybe built the house or designed that space, and you really want to update the space. You don't have to touch the cabinets at all. Update the hardware and it will absolutely transform the space. Now make sure that if you're wanting to use the existing holes, you absolutely have to measure precisely what your current drawer pool sizes are, because they're actually very nuanced. Like, I thought there were standard sizes for drawer pools. There aren't. They aren't. So make sure you're precise with your measurements, but again, that's like a one-day change that can absolutely transform your space from looking maybe even just a little boring, even if your home isn't old, but choosing cool pools can really update the space and make it look designer and make it look custom and like something you picked that reflects your personality. Well, there you have it. That is our fall kitchen tour and some great ways you can update your space in really affordable and fast ways. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. I have a lot more fun stuff to share coming up soon, so be sure to subscribe to this channel, share it with your friends if you know someone who loves home decor or design, or might be even building or renovating soon. I would love to share our experience with them too. So thanks for joining me, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for coming over. Bye guys.